You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation, how to pronounce it. If you want to clarify more pronunciation, more related names, including Greek names like this, stay tuned. This comes from Greek. Chloe is generally the English pronunciation, but it's usually often spelled with CH, but still pronounced Chloe. Now, some may pronounce it as Chloe. The French pronunciation is Chloe, also Spanish Chloe, Italian Chloe, Greek would be Chloe as well. Therefore, some in English may pronounce it as Chloe, but generally in English pronunciation, Chloe. How do you pronounce it yourself? Chloe or Chloe? Let us know in the comments. And where are you from? Let us know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.